Dehancer Online is an online-based photo editing software that will give you a really good film look, very authentic looking film look that is basically going to replicate one of those old school film stocks such as Kodak, Ilford or Fujifilm and so on. Let me give you a demonstration. First of all, you're going to go to online.dehancerpoint.com and then you can try out the trial version, of course, with the watermark on, and then if you like it, you can actually get it by yourself, or I'm providing you a 10% discount with my code film immersion, which is available in the description below. Now let me show you how does it work. Essentially, you're going to drag and drop a JPEG or TIFF or DNG, so it's going to upload. So it takes some time, depends on your internet speed, but generally it works pretty well. Then immediately it will show you all sort of film stock presets from Agfa to Cinestill to Fuji to Kodak and many more, Konica. Then you do have the black and white. I do like the color look of it, even though black and white is my personal preference, but for the sake of experimenting, I'm going to show you the black and white. For example, LOMOGRAPhy is a very good way to demonstrate a film look, which is very rare to get these days. So let me show you before and after. So that's original. Give me a second. And that's after. So original and after. So what you could do, you could actually able to crop it. You can actually flip it if you want, make it upside down and rotate. It's pretty awesome. You have the scaling option in advance for the Instagram post to mobile to and many more. You can move in certain degree if you want, which is brilliant. But for me, I'm fine with it, although I would love to flip it if it's possible. Why not? Just for the sake of this tutorial. And then you can click apply. It takes some time to flip it. Again, it depends on your internet connection. My internet connection is not that bad, to be honest, so which is an advantage. So that's the only drawback of any kind of online based editing software, that ideally you want a very good internet connection. Right, now the second thing, you can do the adjustment. To me it could enjoy a little bit more brightness, I would say. So I'm going to turn on the exposure just a touch and then wait for it to change. Now that looks pretty nice enough in my opinion. And then temperature, probably a bit more in the yellow side because I'm a big fan of yellow look. The contrast, probably just a notch as well. And then that's about it. Now if I zoom in, you could see that it shows a very good amount of the grain, which is we are talking about. But you can change it or modify it in the film effects section. So halation is already on. I don't really need the halation, although I could use some bloom to give a little bit more soft look. And turn it on quite a bit. Maybe I could zoom in just a notch, and I could show you back and forth, before and after, and then add some more grain. Why not? I love grain. Why not abuse it? You never abuse it. It's art. Right. Then you have the preset of light. So from very dark and flat to very low key. depends on the subject, of course, but I'm keeping it nice and simple, but you have the choice. The color, again, you have the preset of color, plenty of choices. Just per curiosity, I'm just going to take a look. No, it's not necessary. This is pretty good, easy, straightforward, and nothing to worry about. In the adjustment though, I would add some more exposure just to give a bit more brightness. Again, it takes some time, but it does a very good job. And voila, there you go. So I would show before, after. So before and after. There you go. It doesn't take too long. You can just do drag and drop and do multiple editing, and it gives you a nice and beautiful film look. I hope you like this video. If so, comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to try it out for yourself, and also don't forget to use my discount code if you want to purchase this online subscription. Take care of yourself, and bye bye.